Looking for a soothing way to unwind after a long day? Look no further than our corduroy lavender heat packs. Our new printed corduroy fabric is filled with natural lavender and is the perfect blend for relaxation and comfort. Mix 2 cups of rice with a few drops of lavender oil and a sprinkle of dry lavender. Fold corduroy in half, right sides together. Press with an ironing pin. Sew around the edges and leave a 10 cm gap. Trim excess fabric at the corners. Turn right side out and poke out the corners with a pencil. Fold corduroy in half and press with an iron. Mark the fold with a dressmaker's marking pencil. Do the same for both sides so you have 4 equal sections. Use the funnel to pour half a cup of rice in the corduroy bag. Push the rice to the end of the bag and pin it where it's marked. Sew along the marked pins, avoiding any rice grains. Repeat this process, filling and sewing all the compartments. Turn over the ends on the last compartment, pin it in place and top stitch it closed.